Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be talking about some banks which give high interest rate and your deposit is guaranteed by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, under its subsidiary body called DICGC. To enter into DICGC website, please type DICGC here, the search engine. Then the result will show as here DICGC. Just click on to this. It will go to the DICGC home page. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation is owned by Reserve Bank of India. DICGC insures all bank deposits such as fixed, saving, current, recurring deposit for up to the limit of 5 lakhs for each deposit in the bank. What is the exact meaning of it? So now in this area people are getting confused. So let me explain this. We will explain with an example. Suppose a person has got savings account as amount as 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs in fixed deposit in the same bank. So the total amount is 3 plus 2. Now 3 plus 2, that is 5. That is being insured by DICGC. That means if a bank is collapsed, the same bank is collapsed, is 5 lakhs is insured. But suppose the same person has got extra 1 lakh in current account. Now in this case, this extra 1 lakh, that is above 5 lakhs, this 1 lakh is not insured, but he will get 3 plus 2, 5 lakhs if at all the bank is collapsed. To know these banks, first go to DICGC site, click on for depositors, then go to list of insured banks. When you click this button, it will go to this page. Here you can see number of banks. You can check all the banks, but I'll be showing some banks which has high interest rate at present. So for that, you can go to this one, private sector banks, where you can see DCB Bank, this one, which has 6.95% interest rate for 10 years, which is quite fair. Now again, going back to this, click on Small Finance Bank, where you will see this bank, Suryodaya Small Finance Bank Limited, which provides 7% interest for 10 years. And the other one is Jana Small Finance Bank, which provides 6.5% interest for 10 years. Depositing in these banks for 10 years may be of beneficial for you, as it provides compounding effect. Yeah. So hope this was helpful. Thank you. And one more important thing, this is not an advertisement of any bank, but just sharing the knowledge. I request you to understand well about the banks where you are planning to deposit your money, as no fixed deposits are 100% safe.